So we're now going to brush our teeth. We got these new toothbrushes from Fairywill, and this is actually a family toothbrushing set. So there is one for me, one for Mason, and one for Kenny. This one is adorable. This is the little kid's toothbrush right here, and it pops out. This one is actually electric as well.
Kinsley loves it.
Kinsley loves brushing her teeth. I'll show you guys her brushing her teeth in a second. So these toothbrushes actually have 5 different settings, and I love that because I've never had a toothbrush that has different settings. So I think that's really cool. So these actually come with more heads for your toothbrushes as well, which is amazing. You don't have to buy a bunch of more heads separately. So we're gonna brush our teeth. Kenny's gonna brush her teeth too. We're gonna show you guys how these work. If you guys wanna check out these toothbrushes, I will link their products and link their website below. Thank you so much, Fairywill, for sending us these toothbrushes. Now to get into brushing our teeth. Now it is Kenny's turn to brush her teeth. She wants to show you guys how she brushes her teeth. She is still kind of learning. Keep in mind that she's only 1. So, yeah, she's still kind of learning. Okay, let's put the toothpaste on. Kenny loves the taste of toothpaste.
Only the kids one.
Only the kids one. We don't get really adult ones.
Yeah.
I'm done brushing my teeth now. I'm going to start doing my makeup in just a second. Thank you so much, Fairywill, for sponsoring today's video. I will link this product down below in the description along with their website, like I said. Thank you so much, Fairywill, again.